Imagine this. You build a website for a client, deliver it, get paid, and then nothing. The project's over, and you're back to chasing the next gig. That's the reality for most web designers. But what if you could flip that script? What if every website you built became a source of steady, predictable income month after month, year after year? That's the magic of recurring revenue in web design. And it's not just for big agencies or tech wizards. Whether you're a solo freelancer, a small studio, or just starting out, you can turn your web projects into long-term income streams with a few simple systems and a little help from automation and AI. Let's break down exactly how you can do it. First up, monthly maintenance plans. Every website needs ongoing care, security updates, plugin management, regular backups, uptime monitoring, and performance optimization. These aren't just nice-to-haves. They're essential for keeping a site running smoothly and securely. Instead of leaving your clients to figure this out on their own, offer them a monthly maintenance package. You can charge anywhere from $50 to $300 per month per site, depending on the level of service. And here's the best part. Most of these tasks can be automated with tools like ManageWP, GoDaddy Pro, or WP Umbrella. Set up your systems once, and let the software handle the heavy lifting. Give your plans names like Peace of Mind or ProCare to emphasize the value and security you're providing, not just another technical service. Next, let's talk about hosting and domain management. Instead of sending your clients off to buy hosting from a third party, become their one-stop tech solution. Resell hosting and domain services under your own brand. You might pay $10 a month for hosting, but you can charge your client $30, that's $20 in pure profit every single month for every site you manage. Use platforms like Cloudways or SiteGround for hosting reselling and the Namecheap Partner Program for domains. Not only does this create a new revenue stream, but it also makes you indispensable to your clients. They'll never want to leave. But it doesn't stop there. Businesses need fresh content to stay relevant and attract new customers. Offer monthly content updates and SEO optimization packages. For example, you could charge $100 to $500 per month for 2 blog posts, keyword optimization, and analytics reporting. With AI tools like Jasper, SurferSEO, or RankIQ, you can generate, optimize, and schedule content quickly and efficiently. This transforms you from just a designer into a true growth partner for your clients, and they'll happily pay for results that help their business grow. Looking for a premium upsell? Add AI chatbot installation and automation systems to your services. Tools like Tidio, ManyChat, or Flowise AI let you set up conversational bots that capture leads, answer FAQs, and engage visitors 24/7 that you can charge $50 to $150 per month to manage or update the bot. And once it's set up, it's almost entirely automated. That's passive income with real value for your clients. Want to go even bigger? Build subscription-based websites for your clients. Think online courses, paid communities, or digital resource hubs. Use platforms like WordPress with MemberPress, Podia, or Kajabi to create and manage these sites. You handle the tech and user access, and your client pays you monthly. You can even negotiate a small percentage of their subscription revenue if you manage the platform. This is how you move from service provider to true business partner. And here are 3 creative upsells to multiply your recurring revenue. Set up Google Analytics dashboards and charge monthly for insights. Manage their email marketing automations with tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit, and keep their blog connected to all their social platforms automatically. Each of these adds real value and keeps you at the center of your client's digital strategy. So don't just build websites, build income systems. Start with 1 subscription service per client and watch your monthly revenue grow. With the right approach, you can earn predictable, recurring income from websites you've already built. Ready to make the shift? Let's build recurring revenue together.